The situation in the national capital, in Delhi, extremely concerning right now. The Yamuna has been confirmed, has now crossed the danger mark. So it's flowing above the danger mark. What does that mean? Once it crosses the danger mark, essentially it then starts spreading out beyond the river banks. We've seen this happen in Delhi before in 2023. And so it's not just low-lying areas, but several other parts of Delhi that could be submerged in the next 24 hours. Right now, it's the low-lying areas near the river banks that are completely underwater. In these areas also, you are seeing essentially a lot of evacuations being done. There's been a surge in the water level because of the fact that water is being released by Haryana. We'll get your ground reports also on what the situation currently is in different parts of Delhi. The usual locations, which is those very close to, in fact, the Yamuna River, are all submerged. You see that on your screens. These people have been forced to move out. Some of them have moved to their rooftops. But it is even in parts of central Delhi, old Delhi, that you will see water flowing in the next 24 hours unless something is done on an emergency basis. But looking at the kind of rainfall that we've seen, the water being released by other states because they have no choice, it looks inevitable that we're going to see scenes of 2023 play out once again in Delhi. I want to take this across to Milind Sharma. She's joining us live with the latest updates. Milind, you're currently in Gurugram. What's the situation there?
Akshita, situation has become stable since yesterday. We witnessed how there were videos of rivers that were flowing on the roads in Gurugram. The district administration has been on its toes since then because there was a lot of backlash that was coming from the people. You saw that 20-kilometer long video of the jam that emanated right from Gurugram up till Delhi, which is why the district administration has said today that all hands are on deck. But the question is, why isn't this done before the monsoon season begins? Because there have been recurrent warnings that have been given by the Indian Meteorological Department that says that orange alert will be issued for the entire state of Haryana. That includes Gurugram as well, which, by the way, gives the state the highest number and highest amount of tax, where civic amenities like proper roads, drainage doesn't exist. A very viral video yesterday came from just outside the 100 crore apartments where there was water everywhere. And this is why the district administration wakes up at the last moment to contain the problem. There have been very incremental rains today in Gurugram, but of course the IMD maintains that very heavy to moderate rainfall could continue this evening.
We're going to track the latest updates that come in from Gurugram as well. From what you're telling us, Milind, right now the situation under control there. But in Delhi, with the Yamuna flowing above the danger mark, situation very concerning.